It's time for us to set up the development environment by installing the required tools. To get started, first we need Node.js installed. So let's go to Google and look for Node.js. I click on the first link over here and download the recommended for most users. The current version right now is 18.13.0 LTS, but based on when you're watching this course, you can download that particular version. Let's click on this one and let's save this. Okay, now that Node is downloaded, let's go ahead and install this. And make sure to uncheck this and then click on next. If this is checked, make sure it is unchecked. Click on next and install. And click on finish. Now that Node.js is installed, let's verify the version we are using. To do that, you can go to search and type in cmd, and this will open up the command prompt, and inside that type in node-v. That's going to show you the version of Node you're using. Now Node also installs Node package manager. Let's go ahead and verify that installation too. So for that, you need to type in npm-v. And right now the current version of Node which I'm using, the current version of npm that I'm using, 8.19.3. But if you're using the current version or the later version, that's completely fine. Next, we need to install VS Code. So let's close this. Let's go back to Google. And let's look for VS Code. You can click on the VS Code, that's the first link over here. And then click on the stable build, which is over here. I have already downloaded and installed VS Code, so I'm not going to do that now. The last thing that we need is a browser. As you can see, I have already installed a browser here. In my case, I'm using Brave browser, but you can install any browser you like. I personally recommend any browser that is based on Chrome or Firefox.